For the lifestyle that requires 3 rows and first class, I present the all-new 2021 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. I'm Steve, and normally you can find me hiking or kayaking around the Adirondack Mountains, looking for waterfalls, exploring historical towns and cemeteries. But today, I'm at Carbone Hyundai of Yorkville, and I'm going to explore the all-new 2021 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. Now, before I take this for a ride and check out the comfort, the tech, and the convenience, we're going to take a look at the styling. The color is hyper white. I like it. It's clean, it's smooth. That front end is very, very stylish. Sporty, luxurious lights. Extremely bold body lines. I love what they did with the mirrors. The hatch, the lights, very clean lines, clean look to it. And one thing I must point out, the Calligraphy specific 20-inch alloy wheels. I love them. Hyundai did an amazing job designing these. .291 horsepower, 262 torque, and the availability to tow up to 5,000 pounds. I would say that's great for highway driving, city driving, and all-around travel. Now this Hyundai has style and comfort from every angle. Reverse, nice dual backup camera, and drive. Wow, this is very smooth. Premium sound, premium leather. I can change how the vehicle drives from eco mode, comfort mode, sport mode, snow mode. They have a smart mode. There's a heads-up display for the speedometer as well. When you're driving this, you feel like you're sitting on top of the world. Camera for turn signal. Okay, I'll do that again. Turn signal, and you see camera come up. this has a lot of features and a lot of tech. I mean, stellar navigation system, wireless charging pad for your cell phone. It has USB just behind the driver and passenger seats. But one thing I do want to check out is the type of room it has in the back. And as you can see, there's just so much room for the passengers. But for gear, there's so much more. Automatic, down for the third row. And automatic down for the second row. Wow, Hyundai. I can fit just about anything I want in there. Traveling, hardware store. Hyundai did good with this. Now, it's no secret, we are in the age of social media. So what I like to do, along with my car reviews, is review how is this gonna look in social media? What's it gonna look like in your posts? How are the pictures gonna come out? Well, from every angle, this Palisade Calligraphy looks extremely sharp. Day, night, especially with those lights at night, you're still gonna have a nice picture. This grill, very, very bold body lines all the way around the vehicle. I think whether you're at a hiking trail, you're shopping, you're traveling, if you put pictures on this in social media, you're definitely going to get some likes. And I know I showed them before, but myself, I just can't stop looking at them. These calligraphy specific 20-inch alloy wheels. I love what Hyundai did with them, and I think in any season they are going to look really good, whether it's leaves on the road, snow on the road, sand by a beach. They're going to show up well. And as a passenger, sitting in luxury shows up really well on social media also. Now, Hyundai boasts advanced safety. What is Hyundai's advanced safety? Well, they have a forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist and lane following assist, driver attention warning, rear occupant alert, ultrasonic rear occupant alert, as what's in this model, blind spot collision avoidance assist. It has rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, safe exit assist, highway driving assist, parking distance warning, forward and reverse, blind spot view monitor, and surround sound view monitor. And I think all of that is just great. And sometimes it is the little things that make the big difference. Whether it's the microfiber headliner or the interior accent lights, this Palisade Calligraphy does the very big well and the small details extremely well also. I must say, this is the perfect vehicle for traveling, especially because it does have Hyundai's legendary all-wheel drive system. Another thing that I do like that Hyundai does is they give you a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 5-year, 60,000-mile comprehensive, and 3-year, 36,000-mile Hyundai maintenance. That's something paired with the technology, the comfort, convenient features makes this Palisade Calligraphy not just good looking, but a good deal also. Oh, I like this a lot. I wonder if the dealership managers will let me take this up to Lake Placid so I can ski and snowboard down Whiteface in another month or so. I hope you enjoyed my video and overview of the 2021 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. Please hit like and subscribe to this channel. Feel free to share this video and comment. You can hit the donate link in the video description or my YouTube bio. Look out for more videos on my channel all around the Adirondack Mountains, New York State, hiking, kayaking, waterfalls, historical towns and cemeteries, and more. And I would also like to give a big thank you to all the sales staff here at Carbone Hyundai of Yorkville for the use of this 2021 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, in which I thoroughly enjoyed every minute of.